Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. If it is your preference to avoid the use of herbicides on your lawn, then there are some organic DIY weed treatments that are claimed to work well against particular weeds. Some do work well, some take a bit more perseverance, and some may not actually work at all and are nothing but an old wives' tale. Here's a few that we've come across that you might like to try. Boiling water is like the organic version of glyphosate. It will kill your weeds, but like glyphosate, it is non-selective, so it will kill your grass as well. This organic remedy is a really good option for concrete areas where you have weeds growing through the cracks, but is best kept away from your lawn if you don't want to end up with dead patches everywhere you have poured it. High amounts of salt will dehydrate plants and throw their internal water balance out of normal function. If you dilute a fair amount in water and apply it, you will likely get the result you are after. Once again though, unless you have a turf variety that can manage a higher concentration of salt, it too will be affected. In addition to this, the salt will stay in the soil for a while until it eventually leaches away, which can stunt growth and prevent initial re-establishment. If you're a fan of salt and vinegar chips, why stop at just salt? Vinegar too is another organic weed killer which is shown to receive quite positive results. If you mix the two together in theory, you should see even better results. This one is a specific treatment for the prevention of clover. Clover creates its own nitrogen, so as a result it tends to thrive in undernourished lawns. If you apply a good quality nitrogen-based fertiliser to your lawn regularly, you will help your grass grow thicker, which will help to crowd out the clover. Lawns can handle an oversupply of iron quite well, but some weeds, like bindi, can't. A home remedy requires 2 tablespoons of iron sulphate mixed with 4.5 litres of water. Now spray the bindi, and within 24 hours, if it all goes to plan, the bindi should die off. This one is a common active ingredient that you will find in most organic herbicide products. Nonanoic acid in its ammonium salt form acts as a natural herbicide, stripping away the wax-like coating of the weed, unbalancing cell function, ultimately leading to the death by loss of moisture or desiccation. The best advice we can give to anyone looking to have an organic herbicide regime is to choose a weed-resistant turf variety. This, combined with regular mowing, decompacting of the soil, and a proactive approach to removing weeds by hand as soon as they appear, you will find the need for chemical or organic treatments, for the most part, won't even be required.